Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. I got the Taft Valkyrie jet here in the cartoon version. I was going to call it JJ the Jet Plane, but turns out JJ the Jet Plane has two motors. It's like a big transport jet. So I'm now calling him Jenkins the Jet Plane. So right, left, up, down, right, left. The plane has it's a 90mm EDF. I'll get back here behind my precious camera lady, and we're gonna turn around. That front, the landing gear is sequenced and it has suspension. All right. Here we go. We're going to do takeoff flaps.
Flaps up, gear up.
I'm going to take her up.
Gear down, landing flaps.
We're actually going to land from the other direction.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Not too bad. Make sure I'm not standing in an ant pile here.
Takeoff flaps.
You know what we're going to do? We're going to turn around. We'll go down the other end of the runway. We're going to take off from this direction.
Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps.
All right. Here we go.
Flaps up, gear up. Landing flaps.
We'll bring her by low and slow, right by us here.
Gear down.
Go out towards the road. All right, I'm going to turn back towards the clubhouse now.
Time remaining 1 minute.
We're going to make a big loop. I'm going to go around. Flaps are all the way down. Won't be in the grass, but that's okay. All right.
Takeoff flaps.
Still got 37 seconds. We're going to take off quick one more time. Land from the other. We're going to land from the clubhouse side here.
Landing flaps.
Out of the power completely. All right, not the best landing, but we'll take it. And folks, that is JJ, or Jenkins the Jet Plane, otherwise known as the Taft Valkyrie. I'm running a 6S China Hobby 5000 with a 65C discharge. Motor off. I might have to get off this field here pretty quick. Just to show you, if you look at the doors, that front gear door is sequenced, so you have to take that in consideration. Yes, this plane is out of production from what I understand. However, there are several units still available at redwingrc.com. They're out of Lebanon, Illinois. And the plane is, like I said, is a 90mm. Takes a 6S. I suggest at least a 5000. And like I said, I suggest at least a 5000 6S. To show you where I have the battery at, I'm running an AR 630 antenna-less receiver right here. This is a 5000. Basically, you put the butt of the plane against that bulkhead and go back, and that's where the 5000 sits in there, no problem. The plane, you can buy the red, white, orange and white, the Coast Guard color one. You can buy the all yellow and black one, or you can buy this one. And the thing about it is, sorry to turn away from you, the thing about it is if you're okay with a cartoon theme, you can save $100, because the yellow and black one, the Coast Guard theme one, they're $3.99. This one's $2.99, but the exact same plane. It's just a different color scheme. Other than that, there's exactly, I mean, you can take the stats and put them side by side, and this one's exactly the same. It's just $100 cheaper because it's in a cartoon type livery. But you know what? These eyeballs are just stickers. You take them off, it doesn't look like a cartoon so much anymore. So do what you want. I'm just saying, I was able to put up with $100 savings for eyeballs. Okay, of course I got the easy lights attached, but it's a great flying plane. I thought for a 90mm it'd be a lot faster, but it's actually quite stable, fun to fly, and for $300, you can't beat it. Thank you for watching, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, wait, you know what we didn't do? We flew hard for 3 minutes and 10 seconds. We didn't see how much juice is in the tank, did we? I mean, I had a lot of landings and takeoffs and full speed passes. Let's see what kind of juice we got in the tank. Hold on. Get my battery checker to work here. I got 44%, so that's a perfect. So if I was due for, say, 3.5 minutes, probably come back at about 25%. So really 3.5 minutes. Gotta remember, this is an older EDF, an older model, so not as efficient as the new ones. So 3.5 is as much as you want to push it. So, and that's on a 5000. All right, like I was saying earlier, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then Jenkins the Jet Plane. Bye-bye.